Welcome to Canada, Collision. I'm happy you chose Toronto to host North America's fastest growing tech conference for the next 3 years. But I have to say, I'm not completely surprised. Toronto's a key global tech hub and an example of the diversity that is our strength. Here in Canada, we know innovation and inclusion go together, and the rest of the world has taken notice. Tech talent is coming to our country in record numbers. And with our Skills and Innovation Plan, our government is making it easier for innovators to succeed and for investors to support them, whether it's thanks to the Global Skills Strategy, the Innovation Superclusters, or the Women Entrepreneurship Strategy. We know Collision will bring even more energy and vision to Toronto's tech scene. Collision, bienvenue au Canada. On est impatient de vous y accueillir ici et je pense que vous allez vous y sentir chez vous. À bientôt.